हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का टॉपिक है मेकिंग मैथमेटिक्स लर्निंग मोर चैलेंजिंग एंड सेटिस्फाइंग, जो कि आगे आने वाले टीचिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहने वाला है। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Learning more challenging and satisfying. One of key objectives of teaching mathematics is to make learning more challenging and satisfying. That means learning mathematics have to create curiosity among students and place them in a challenging situation where they can achieve their level of satisfaction. At the same time, learning mathematics must have to give the pleasure during the leisure period of learners, and also it should reduce the anxiety and stress to learn mathematics. You might have observed that students are failing in mathematics as they develop fear before they start to learn. Therefore, it is your duty to make mathematics learning more challenging and satisfying so that learners will be enhanced their creative abilities and show the positive attitude to learn mathematics. Let us discuss how learning mathematics helps to develop learners' creative abilities and the use of mathematics laboratory and library. Development of learners creative abilities. You might have observed that in your classroom that some of the students performance is different from others. Their ways of solving a mathematical problem or developing any kind of activities in mathematics are unique and innovative. These abilities of the learners called as creativity or creative abilities. The important task of teaching mathematics is how to develop such abilities among the learners. The development of learners' creative abilities more or less depends on the nature of learning task and the approaches followed by the teacher in the classroom. Let us identify the nature of the learning task that impacts on students' creativity. Tasks should be designed in such a manner that the students are attracted to it and participate in it spontaneously. Challenging. The task should neither be too easy nor too difficult, but must be mentally challenging for the learner so that he or she attends to it, employing his or her full potential, and solving the task is mentally satisfying. Like most of the mathematical problems, each of which has only correct answer, tasks encouraging creativity need to have several possible solutions. This encourages learner to search for innovative solutions. Logical and problem oriented. Other areas, mathematical problems have a distinct logical structure and all mathematical tasks are problem oriented. Once the learner becomes familiar with the logical structure, he or she tries to decipher the logic and in the process tries to employ several innovative processes to solve the problem consistent with the logical structure. The problem orientation of the task poses challenging situations for the learner to evolve new approaches for solution. Pictorial or graphic representation, representing mathematical data and relations in various pictorial and graphic forms, encourages creative talents. Similarly, the approaches of learning must have to address the following for the development of creativity among the learners. Recognition of alternative ideas or methods of solution proposed by students. Collaboration, both student and teacher search for alternatives. More scope for brainstorming and reflective thinking. Encouragement for divergent thinking. More scope for problem posing and problem solving. Questioning and expressing ideas. More scope and freedom for fluent expression and elaboration of ideas. Motivation and accepting views or suggestions. Active learning and process based assessment. And library. A mathematics laboratory is a place where some of the mathematical activities are carried out and the students for new innovations. Further, mathematics laboratory can foster mathematical awareness, skill building, positive attitude, and learning by doing in different branches of mathematics. Can learn certain concepts using concrete objects and verify many mathematical facts and properties using models, measurements, and other activities. Maths lab also popularizes mathematics. In your school, you might have on familiar with their textbook and they think that Textbook is the ultimate resources to learn mathematics. Besides the textbook, new different journals in mathematics, magazines, reference books, CDs are regularly available, and they contain the innovative ideas, experimentations, critical use of formula, and life story of different mathematicians. Students are needed to learn these materials regularly to get different ideas in the world of mathematics. Mathematics library is an important aspect in the process based learning. As a teacher, you also used the library and motivated your students to learn from mathematics library. Mathematics library is an important place of resources for collection, dissemination of mathematical concepts, themes, story, references, articles, puzzles and games. सो गाइज ये था आज का टॉपिक. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.